In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Copilot chat history. If you want to clear out your previous Copilot conversations for privacy, organization, or simply to start fresh, the good news is that the process is very quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through exactly where to go so you can do it without any confusion. To begin, look toward the bottom left corner of the Copilot interface. In that area, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that to open the Account and App Options menu. This is where you can access settings related to your experience, including privacy controls. Once the menu opens, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings area where different categories are available. Since chat history is tied to your personal data and account activity, the next thing you need to do is select Privacy. This section contains the controls that let you manage how your information and conversations are handled. After you're in the Privacy section, scroll down toward the bottom of the settings page. Near the bottom, you should see the option labeled Clear History. When you find it, click on it to remove your Copilot chat history, and that's it. Once you select that option, your previous chat history will be cleared. This can be useful if you want to remove older conversations, tidy up your workspace, or make sure past prompts are no longer visible in your history. A helpful tip here is to make sure you really want to clear the history before clicking, especially if there's anything in past chats that you may want to refer back to later. In many cases, once history is cleared, it may not be easy to recover those conversations. So if there's something important, it's a good idea to review it first. Overall, the steps are simple. Go to the bottom left, click your profile icon, open Settings, choose Privacy, and then use Clear History at the bottom of the page. It only takes a moment, and it's an easy way to manage your chat activity inside Copilot. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to delete Copilot chat history.